Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Daily Try-On. My name is Nichole. I'm going to show you 5 resort looks using some of the pieces that we just got in that are perfect for those vacations down south. So let's get into it. All right, so first up, I have on this fantastic piece from Danny and Dabby. This is called the Renee. It's like a little kimono cover up, perfect for the beach, but also just sort of, you know, for those ladies that love a fun little kimono. I've paired those with those high-waisted denim shorts from Hayden, and then I just sort of put on my own bathing suit top just to sort of tie in the pink. I've grabbed myself a little straw bag, and I am ready to hit the beach. All right, so back in outfit number 2, I have paired this really sweet crocheted top from Charlie B with our favorite shorts. We do have a couple pairs of these left, and they are on the sale table. So if you like them, come and get them ASAP. They're a really great cutoff. I believe these ones were from Hayden. I am wearing the 2X. They have a nice elasticized waist in the back, and then a fully functioning zipper and pockets. Please do not mind my very pasty legs. Clearly I need to travel somewhere warm and sunny so I can get myself a tan, but a really great day at the beach outfit. Okay, so back in outfit number 3, again, kept those shorts on because this is all about the beachy travel vibes. I pulled this new piece from Danny and Dabby. This is the Dana shirt. So it is very oversized. This is the 1X. It's very generous. I'll show you in a second how generous it is. Right now, I just sort of have it tucked in a little bit for like a more of a, I don't know, on the way to the beach, but then I can just sort of pull it down, and then it makes a fun little beach cover that I could wear with or without shorts. We're gonna keep it PG, so we'll keep the shorts on. How fun is this? Super cute, right? Love it. Okay, I am back in outfit number 4. I think this is definitely my favorite look of the try-on, but I do have one more fantastic piece to show you. But let me tell you about this piece first. This is the Zelda dress. This is a new brand that we have in Flying Tomato. They have some really fantastic pieces. I absolutely love everything about this dress. The smocked bodice, nice full skirt. It has a tie you could do with or without, and these really sweet little poofy sleeves. This is definitely a piece that I would wear walking around town, sort of doing a little touristy things, and then it would also be really cute for a date night. What do you guys think? Outfit number 5. What do we think of this stunning piece? I know that it is very low, so I did put a bathing suit on underneath. It is supposed to be worn as a beach cover, but you could totally add it to a spicy date night maybe. This is the Karma dress. This is available in black, white, and a gray blue. Perfect for those of you who are traveling to a warmer climate, or just getting some summer shopping in a little early. What do we think, ladies?
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.